Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, another update on Bitcoin. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We're going to show you some moon boys. We're going to warn you, just like we warned you from all the crashes, and we're going to share with you our thoughts, short term, what's going to happen. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, and get yourself Bitunix account ASAP. They give you free 1,000 USDT for one person that subscribed to this exchange. Every week they're doing a giveaway. Okay, this week winner, okay, you can see 1,000 USDT bonus. That's unbelievable, man. Gifts, and they also give you deposit on every deposit you make a USDT. So really, stop trading on these scam exchanges or these Dexes or Uphold. They rip you off, or Coinbase or Kraken, they rip you off. This you can trade from US, Canada, Australia, no VPN, no KYC. Okay, let's dive into the video. Look, this is Bitcoin. Okay, now the moon boys are getting wild. They're calling for bottoms. They're telling you, hey, buy the fear, buy the blood. This is the best time to buy your Bitcoin. No. Don't fall for it, sir. Don't fall for it, sir. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell on the YouTube. We're gonna keep you level-headed through all 2026, sir. You are in a risk. Okay, the moon boys are gonna get wild. They're gonna make you tempted to buy the dip, but the dip will just keep getting deeper and deeper and deeper. Just follow us. You're gonna do marvelously well. You're gonna do unbelievable. You're gonna be a legend if you just follow this channel, man. Okay, now look, this is the Bitcoin. Okay, it broke down from a bear flag. It is bearish, man. It is cooked. What is this? What is this bear flag? When Bitcoin is doing a bear flag, it's in a bear market, sir. Okay, bear flag is a behavior on the weekly chart. Yeah, it's not even a daily chart. That's a weekly bear flag. Okay, when a Bitcoin or any asset is doing a bearish flag, that's a bear market confirmation. Whether you like the 50 MA, whether you like indicators or not, or stuff like that, doesn't matter. You just follow the patterns. Bear flags are happening in bear markets. Okay, just like we had here. Okay, you had no bear flag through the entire bull market of 2020, 2021, but then you form a bear flag in 2022. And what's happened, sir? What happened? Do you remember? I do. Shorted the F out of this market, made filthy money. Filthy, man, filthy shorting. Now look, that's a bear flag. That was your last warning to sell your Bitcoins and your other scam shit coins that you've been holding, and everything died, man. Everything died with the Bitcoin from the bear flag breakdown. You can be in the same situation right now. Okay, when the bear flag trigger and confirmed, it is cooked. That means it is gonna be dead for a year. Again, you're gonna have rallies, you're gonna have moments of altcoin strength. Sometimes they're gonna make huge move. Maybe some altcoins will come out of nowhere and do a new high. Could be. But again, 99% of them are going to zero. Okay, 99% of them are going to zero, man. So you don't want to be gambling with your precious capital holding these scam coins. You better off hold USDT and short them and print. Go with the trend, man. Okay, this is a bear flag breakdown. It is a dead man. Okay, forming a head and shoulders here. In my opinion, this looks like a head and shoulder to me. The crypto market is a dead man. A dead man. And again, it's gonna recover, but not now. You're just starting the bear market, sir. Don't listen to the moon boys. Let's look on some Twitter stuff, and I'm showing you more chart. Okay, now look. This clown is calling for, it's the best buying opportunity ever. This clown is wrecking people consistently for so long. He made the people buy Ethereum on the top and buy Bitcoin at the top. And now he's telling them again to buy. He's telling them DCA zone is activated. That's absolute dog shit. This is not a DCA zone. Follow this channel. We're gonna tell you where the DCA zone. The DCA zone is coming at the end of the year. It's not a price zone. It's a time zone. People don't understand. They're so stupid. Remember, sir, most people are highly, highly stupid in this space. You don't want to follow them. They're going to get you wrecked. We believe Bitcoin is in a bear market all the way to the end of the year. If we're going to flip our view, we're going to let you know in a video. So make sure to subscribe, man. Okay, you don't want to be DCA now. You DCA after all the moon boys disappeared from X. They are dying, okay? They are calling for doomsday. They say they leave the space. They say Bitcoin is going to zero. Then you DCA. Now you do not DCA. Let this clown moron DCA and lose everything he have, because that's what happening to him. He wants other people with him going down. It's much better to drown in the ocean with a bunch of 100 people with you than drown alone. You get me? It's much better. I'm telling you, honestly. Now that's their strategy. They want everybody dead. That's what they want. Okay, let's look. Continue here. Oh, this is actually this guy flipped his mind. He was bullish. He was bullish at the top, you know, and he was bullish actually on the bear flag. Now he flipped his mind. So it's very easy. But anyway, some people are realizing now that the bear market confirmed. So let's give him some slack. Okay, gold is overbought, Bitcoin is oversold. Okay, you know what's happening next. These stupid posts come in all the time, again and again and again, and it's not true. It's absolute dog poop. Okay, it's absolute dog poop. Man, you don't want to be following these people. Okay, you got my point, man. These are the moon boys. We're gonna keep sharing with you the moon boys. By the way, get yourself Bitunix account, and if you want to join our service, link below, man. We are printing. Follow us on X, and also join our service, man. It's unbelievable. I'm gonna tell you more about the service in a bit. I just want to show you a few charts more. Okay, so look, this is very bad. Okay, they don't show you this. Okay, this is the Bitcoin head and shoulders. Okay, we believe it's forming, or a bear flag continuation. Okay, you can have a drop minimum to this level, man. Minimum to the 65,000 to the 55. You know, you never know, man. You never know, man. You never know, man. You don't want to be holding. It's catching a falling knife. Okay, catching a falling knives. You don't want to be catching falling knives. Okay, now the USDT dominance. This is a very fascinating chart. No one is talking about it, and it's in a breakout. It's in a breakout now, man. It's just a ticking time bomb, man. This is a ticking time bomb. It's gonna crash the entire market, the crypto market, obviously. You see the breakout confirmed here. Look at the monthly. That's a confirmed breakout, man. Okay, if I could long it, I would long it. Now some people probably say, "Oh yeah, you can long USDT dominance." No, I'm just joking, man. I'm just saying this is bullish. Okay, this is bullish as F. Okay. This is bullish as F. That means it's want to go higher. Okay, you have a confirmed bottom, beautiful market bottom here on this USDT dominance, and it's going to start a bull run. That's what happened to USDT dominance in a bear market. That's what happened in 2022. You see the bull run here? That's the bull run. That's what's coming. This part. Okay, this part now is gonna come here, man, on the breakout. Yes. And then we believe it's going to go to new high. Then altcoins and crypto are just doomed, man. Doomed. Now look, this is USDT dominance. And we show you our other chart, the most favorite chart, man, that predict the altcoin apocalypse. The altcoin apocalypse is coming, whether you like it or not. All your favorite shitcoins are going to zero, whether you like it or not. This chart is telling you, is warning you, is telling you, hey, sell everything you have, don't hold nothing. Doesn't matter if you hold Kaspa, Zebek, you know, XRP, Solana, all of them going to zero. Shit show. It's gonna collapse. This thing is gonna collapse. This is the head and shoulders. It's a head and shoulders inside of a 5 years double top here on the altcoin index. That means this chart, this altcoin space as a whole. Okay, again, obviously you're gonna have outliers that will rip in a bear, yes, but as the whole, 99% of them are going to die. They are going to die very hard, man. They're gonna break to new lows. I believe this cycle they're gonna send the altcoins to new lows. Why? First of all, you have this nasty head and shoulders. That just the head and shoulders tell you, beware of the bear. It's gonna be a bloodbath for altcoins. You've seen nothing. You've seen nothing.